Hello everybody, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ardi Prawiradu Cahya. I'm from Department of Electrical, Electronic Engineering Study Program, Politeknik Negeri Sriwijaya. In this video, I will bring the material with the title Diodes. Okay, let's get started. What is diode? Diodes are an active electronic component made of semiconductor material and has the function to conduct electric current in one direction, but inhibit electric current from the opposite direction. Therefore, diodes are often used as rectifier in electronic circuit. Silicon controlled rectifier is a diode has a function as a controller. In general, diode only have two terminal feed. SCR is a diode that has three terminal legs. The third terminal leg on the SCR is named the gate terminal, which function as a control, while the other leg is the same as the diode in general, the end terminal and the gated terminal. Okay, next. Diode have a symbol. The following figure is a diode symbol. Diodes are formed from P and N type semiconductor material that are combined. This diode is often called the p-n junction. Diodes are combination of type N semiconductor material, which is material with excess electron, and type P is lacking one electron, so it forms the hole. Hole in this case function as a chain carry, short carry. If the P pole of the diode is connected to the positive pole of the source, an electric current will flow, where the electric current on the N side will move to fill the hole, so that the current will flow. Conversely, if the P side is connected to negative battery source, the electron will move toward the positive terminal source. Inside the diode there will be no electron transfer. Next, diode function. There are some diode function. First, heat sensor, for example in amplifier. Second, as a fuse or switch or safety. The third, for the clamper circuit can provide additional DC particle to AC signal. 4. To stabilize the voltage at the voltage regulator. 5. For rectifier. 6. For indicator. 7. For tools to double the voltage. 8. For light sensor. They usually use a photodiode. Next, diode type. There are many types of gains are as follow. First, LED diode that the function as indicator light or lighting. Second, rectifier diode, which function as rectifier to AC current to DC current. Third, Schottky diode that function as a controller. 4. Zener diode, which function as a safety circuit and also as a voltage stabilizer. 5. Photodiodes that function as light sensor. Next, diode characteristic. There are two characteristics of diode, namely diode bias forward and diode reverse bias. The following is explanation. First, diode in forward bias. The diode is biased forward to provide external voltage toward the terminal diode. If the anode is connected to the positive pole on the battery and cathode is connected to the negative pole on the battery, it will cause a forward bias. Next, diodes in reverse bias. The anode is connected to the negative pole and the cathode is connected to the positive pole, so that the amount of the current flowing in the reverse bias circuit will be smaller. In diodes reverse bias, there is a forward current connected to a battery, which has a voltage that is not too large and significant, because it does not increase. When the reset process occurs, the diode cannot conduct electricity because the value of the resistance is large. This diode is also recommended not to have a large voltage and current that exceeds the limit. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for attention. I am Ardi Pradicahya. See you next video. Bye bye.